Hey, welcome back to Hoffman Leatherworks. Today we're going to be making a portfolio cover for a composition notebook. This is a great little portfolio to keep your notebook in and keep everything organized. So just like normal, we'll go ahead and print the pattern out. This pattern's actually on a legal sheet of paper, 11 by 14. It's a little bit bigger, so go ahead and print the pattern and tape it together. There are some, like I said, the back part of the portfolio is big, so we're going to have to do this on several sheets. So the patterns, when you get it, it's all set up to easily tape it together and make one big piece. You can get this pattern like normal on the HoffmanLeatherworks.com website or Etsy, or there's lots of different places. Just do a search for Hoffman Leatherworks and we'll pop up somewhere. Remember, if you get anything out of this or like the video, go ahead and smash that like button and hit subscribe. So this design's pretty straightforward. We'll grab some pieces of leather and tape the pattern down. Of course, this can be lined or not lined. This version I'm not lining it. So we'll just get some 4 to 5 ounce leather, tape it down. See, this is that big piece with 4 sheets of paper taped together. It's pretty easy to do, and we'll get it all taped down and start punching holes. On this I use a 1mm punch. So we'll just go ahead and punch all the holes. This is a pretty quick and easy project, so the punching of the holes is probably going to be the most time consuming. The rest is pretty straightforward and quick. Once you get the holes punched out, we'll go ahead and cut out the pattern. On these long straight cuts, I like to use a straight edge. Just makes everything a little bit cleaner and nicer. Again, we're doing it with our standard utility knife instead of some fancy leather knife. Save yourself the money. Go buy a $5 utility knife instead of a $100 leather knife. Works just as good, if not better. And when it gets a little dull, just change the blade. Blades are cheap. So we'll get it cut out, sew the 2 pockets inside, and we will be done. This has so many possibilities. You could use a veg tan leather and tool it up, make it look really nice. So it'd be good. Here it is sewn up. I just used a standard 1mm black wax thread, and there you go. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe. We got a lot more videos coming your way. But there you go. You got a nice portfolio for your composition notebook. In the pattern, there is going to be several options that you can add, different pockets and stuff on the inside. So check it out, HoffmanLeatherworks.com.